Hi my babes, and welcome to my channel, or back to my channel if you are a subscriber of mine, or if you're a new viewer, welcome! It's so nice to meet you. My name's Bronwyn. I am a beauty guru. I have been around for quite a few years on YouTube. I'd say consistently about 4 years, but overall 7. I do review videos. I focus a lot on skincare and makeup. And I also do like unboxings and first impressions and stuff like that. So I'm literally like your standard beauty guru that like does everything that everyone else does. Not really that unique. But if you like my personality, like to be a little chill and stuff like that, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm really excited. I have been partnered with FabFitFun for this video, and FabFitFun is a subscription box that includes full-size products. That's right, full-size skincare, body care, hair care, makeup. Like, it is amazing. And this is the fall editor pick box that I am doing. Please don't mind my voice, I am really sick at the moment. But this is it right here. It is huge, as you can see. Like, it's a huge box, but I am so excited to open it up. I've actually had it on my hands for a couple weeks now, I want to say, and I have just been dying to open it up, but I knew it would be amazing to share it all with you guys. So what makes FabFitFun different from other subscription services and boxes is that it is only seasonal, meaning there are only 4 boxes that come out per year. So it includes fashion, hair care, makeup, beauty, all that jazz for each season. And this season is fall, and that is the box that I have here. It is the fall editors box, so I'm really excited to peek inside and see what amazing items we got for the fall season. And what is so great about the fall season is that interesting transition between summer and winter, where like your summer skincare and summer body care and fashion is not going to suit you, and your makeup that you wear is not going to suit you anymore, but it's also not dry enough and cold enough for all that heavy moisturizing, heavier coverage foundations and warmer clothes and all that stuff. So I'm excited to see what they included in this box. Okay, so what I really like about this subscription box is that it's pretty much the same price as every other subscription service box. It is just maybe $10 more, running at $49.99, so roughly around $50. But the value, the total value of the box is $200, which is an amazing deal. If you guys are curious to try out a FabFitFun, they actually were kind enough to give me a coupon code, so you can get $10 off, so it won't be $50, it would be $40 for your first box using the code right here. And I will also have it down below in the description if you don't want to rewatch this clip, or if you didn't take note of it. So you guys can definitely get a little bit of a deal thanks to this video, so thank you for watching. And another thing that's really interesting about this subscription box is they now let you customize the box a little bit. So you can actually go on the website, check out some items that you would want to include in your box. And today we're going to open up my box with a little bit of picked items in there. So let's open it up and check it out. Enough blabbing on. It is ready to be opened. Let's see what we got. First off, there's a lovely little FabFitFun magazine. Then I got a gift card for HelloFresh. HelloFresh is like a food delivery service for preparing meals if you're too busy to do grocery shopping, which is so funny because my roommate and I were literally talking about this last night and how she was interested in trying it out. So that is so awesome. Got a $3 off coupon for Luna Rica bars. Another FabFitFun coupon code. And then now it's time for the stuff in here. Oh my goodness. It actually smells really good. I just wanted to point out the box smells really good. So first off, a beauty blender. That's so awesome because I literally am that cheap person who's never bought a real beauty blender. I've always just bought like other brand versions. I'm excited. Then we got that Luna Rico bar that we got the coupon for. I'm actually gonna try it out right now because I'm really hungry. I have not had lunch. This one is the cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. It is gluten-free, no GMO, and obviously it's not nut-free. Whoa. Oh, wow. I usually hate like granola bars and stuff like that, but this is actually good. Okay, reaching into the box again, I pulled out the Skin & Co. Roma Blue Capri Shower Gel. Oh, it smells so refreshing. Reaching into the box, we have the Grown Alchemist Hydro Restoring Cream Cleanser Olive Oil Plantago Extract. Really love the simplistic packaging of this. Free from aging toxins and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfates, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrances, no nitrosanine, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no glycols. Ooh. It's sealed. I don't really want to unseal it right now just because it is a skincare item, but I'm definitely excited to try it out. If you guys are interested in seeing a review on this cleansing gel or cleansing cream, let me know. 2 Glam Glow masks, sheet masks, which I'm excited to try out. I've actually never used a Glam Glow product before. I don't know, I've just never been sold on their marketing. Like, it just doesn't appeal to me really. So I think that's why I've never bought it. But this is the bubble sheet mask, which is interesting. I'll have to try it out and probably share my opinion on it in like an Insta story. But yeah. Ooh, Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Did you guys know one of my first like professional makeup brushes was from Crown Brush? When I went to IMATS back in 2011, I want to say. Oh, wow, that's so nice. These are actually like good. I'm so happy to see that. And I was just saying like in my monthly vlog that I need some new makeup brushes. So that timing couldn't be better, to be honest. Ooh, a soft angled brush, which I totally need too. I love how it has like an imprint for where your thumb goes. That's actually really comfortable. Oh, and where your finger goes on the other side. Smart packaging. Reaching into the box again, I got the Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. This is the one item that I specifically chose for my FabFitFun fall box because I don't have a teapot, and how can I say no to cherry blossoms? Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Plus it's for loose leaf tea, which I am someone who really indulges in all the time, quite frequently. And I can't say no. I love cherry blossoms. I love pink and blue. I love tea. I love loose leaf tea. And I just thought this was the cutest thing ever. Reaching into the box, we have an umbrella, which is perfect because I only own one umbrella right now, and it's a child size umbrella. This is, oh, it's so cute. Some poppies. Not bad. I'm not gonna open it inside because if you guys know, it's bad luck to open umbrellas inside. But that is really cute. I think that's great to add because fall and spring are like so bad for rain all the time. So much rain. It's been raining like almost non-stop this past week and a half, and it's so depressing. Reaching into the box again, we have a towel. 2 tea towels. There we go. That's a cute pattern. I like it. It is handmade, I think. It's by Simply Whimsical, 80% cotton. Homemade pretty. That's cute. And lastly, the final item at the bottom of the box is this Metalist Foil Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo by Touch in Soul. It is in the color Penny number 2. A really pretty color. So that's the liquid and this is the gloss, and I think the gloss looks the prettiest, to be honest. Nice. The gloss and the liquid color. Really pretty. All right, loves, so that is everything I got in the box. I have to say, based on like my first time ever ordering or getting a FabFitFun box, I think what I love the most about it is the fact that you actually get full-size products. And secondly, I love the fact that it allows you to like rediscover products or discover new products that you otherwise would never have tried. Like basically every single item in this box is something I personally never would have bought other than the beauty blender. Like, not that I never would have bought it, but it's something that just never would have by nature come into my mind. I think that makes it really exciting because right now I feel like the beauty market is so oversaturated with product launches that we once used to get really excited about, but now I find myself to not becoming excited about like new product launches. So having these subscription box services that come in full-size products like FabFitFun kind of brings excitement back to the beauty industry, in my opinion, and new product launches, or not even new product launches, but just like I said, rediscovering brands that you've maybe forgotten about, or ones that, like for me, you would never have thought to go out of your way to buy on your own. Another thing that I really like, not about the box in particular, but about the brand and the brands that they work with, like FabFitFun and the brands they work with, is that they support like not-for-profit brands, they support a lot of foundations, they support female-owned companies, which I think is great. I think we really do need that in the beauty industry especially, and in every industry. So that's something I really like to see. I also like that the products within the box are like vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. Like there's a good mix of brands in there for everyone, which makes it so appealing. And on top of which, the fact that they now allow you to customize your seasonal box makes it that much better. So like I said in the beginning, you guys, if you do want to try out the FabFitFun box, definitely go to their website. I will have them linked down below, and also you can use my coupon code right here if you want to get $10 off, so it won't be a $50 box for the winter coming up or the fall box, but it will be a $40 box. So that is such a steal. I definitely recommend you guys try it out if you're looking to spark up your beauty collection and just add a little flair to the season. If you guys want to learn more about FabFitFun, definitely check out their website. They have FabFitFun TV, they have all their social media networks where you can learn more about the company and the brand and what they believe in, what they stand by, and the companies and brands that they support. They also have a lovely community that supports fellow women in the industry and just women in general, so I think that's really great as well. So thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed it, comment down below, and please let me know if any of you have tried FabFitFun before. I'd be so curious to know, to be honest. Like, I've known of the brand for a while on my own, but I didn't know that much about them, so I'm so happy that I got to work together with them to create this video for you guys and share it with you all. I think it's a wonderful way to try out and get to know and more familiar with smaller brands, women-owned brands, and also for me to refamiliarize myself with North American brands, because I've been living overseas for, I want to say, 4 years now, and being back in Canada, I honestly feel so out of the North American beauty industry loop. So yeah, definitely thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, comment down below if you've tried FabFitFun, and of course subscribe to see more weekly videos on my channel for skincare, beauty, hair care, and reviews, makeup tutorials, all that jazz, and I will see you next time. Bye!